One is precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition. There's multiple, not the literal statement itself, but the contrasted interpretation derived from tone. So what I did was study a number of algorithms, primarily Google analysis only, which is based on a sort of intersubjectivity, or you have supraliminal, you have hyperliminal, you have hypnosis inadvertently. And by me learning more and acquiring more information. Mental disorders from a linguistic perspective. Range it in another key. Transcribing is when you convert a conversation to sheet music. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception. Momentum, what determines velocity. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Historical devices is the power of persuasion.